New at 11, keep your eyes to the sky. You might catch a comet with your naked eye. John Brown talks with the director of the Seminole State College Planetarium about Comet Lovejoy.
Derek Demeter is the director of the Seminole State College Planetarium. Derek, good to see you. Appreciate you being here today.
Glad to be here.
Let's talk about this, what we're seeing up in the sky right now. What exactly are you seeing out there?
Well, it's a bright greenish colored comet that's visible in the sky right now. Very good to see through small pair of binoculars. And if you have fairly dark skies, if you're away from the city, you can actually see it with the naked eye.
All right, it's called the Lovejoy. Is this one that comes around every few years, or when's the last time this one's been around?
Well, this is the first time anybody's actually seen this comet, because a guy named Terry Lovejoy has discovered this, and it's been kind of determined that this has been traveling through the solar system over 11,000 years. And next time we're going to see it is about 8,000 years from now.
So if you want to see it, you better get outside over the next few days.
Yeah.
How long is this thing going to be visible in the sky?
Next couple of weeks. As it gets closer to the sun, probably around January 31st or so, you're going to notice that it's going to get it's going to pretty much not be visible because it's going to be very close to the sun. So for the next couple of weeks is the prime time to look at this comet.
Okay, every time we talk to you or even our media, I'll just say, go outside, you can see Mars or whatever out there. I never know exactly what I'm looking for. Explain to us, what do we need to be looking for, and how do you pick it out among all the stars that are up there?
Well, right now it's just off to the right of the constellation Orion. It's a very popular constellation with the 3 stars in a belt, but it's moving very fast. So in the next couple of weeks or so, it's actually going to be passing the star cluster known as the Pleiades, which is in the constellation Taurus, and that's a very nice star cluster, even seen in the city light pollution. And it's going to be very close to that. So take your binoculars and kind of scan that part of the sky, and you'll kind of pick out this kind of greenish fuzzy star, and that's the comet.
Now, if people want to see it better than just naked eye or binoculars, where do they suggest you go? Can you go to your planetarium and take a look at it?
Well, in fact, we're actually doing a comet watch next Friday and Saturday after our shows. So if anyone wants to come out around 10 o'clock, both Friday and Saturday night will be, if it's clear, we'll have our telescope set up. They'll get a chance to look at the comet through one of our bigger telescopes.
Derek Demeter with the Seminole State College Planetarium. Good to see you. Appreciate your time.
Not a problem.